Hi, I'm Pop Seagull and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Tiga, or palm and footwork drill number 3 on the square, but we're only going to use the triangle in the square. And I want to give a shout out to my first VIP Patreon, John Ferris. Thank you very much, and I look forward to working with you and communicating back and forth with each other. As you've seen from my previous drills and other videos, that drilling, learning how to coil and uncoil, coordinating your hand work, arm work, spine work, in conjunction with your shoulders, hips, and footwork is paramount in my personal system of Bagua Kuntao Silat. And these palm and footwork drills are instrumental in fine-tuning your work, making you more dexterous, coordinated, increasing your timing, and helping you develop that Bagua Kuntao Silat body. So I'm thrilled to give you more of it. This again is drill number 3, one of the first drills I learned in Kuntao Silat. However, I have my own little variety of it, you could say. And there are many different ways to work it, but I'm going to show you my favorite way as the first drill on just sticking to the triangle, the way I prefer. And first, turn so that you're in a stance and your foot is, or leg, knee is roughly pointing along the line of the triangle, and you're going to sapu. However, since you're coiling, you want to be aware of your upper body too. So, and I want to say, the tropical storm Cristobal is only several hours away from me right now, so you may notice it's a little damp, dark, and a little windy. Please forgive me, and I hope you enjoy this anyway. But while we're moving, perform the sapu, or front leg sweep, and a high elbow, coiling elbow, like this. Then come down to striking palm when you're uncoiling to step at the point of the Tiga. Then we're going to execute a re-rotation of our joints and skeletal positioning and striking with our rear elbow while we beset with our rear leg, like this. Then again, we repeat this drill, strike, and again, and repeat it, strike, then again, and repeat it again. That's essentially the drill. However, we're going to speed it up a little bit, and those are the basics, and lower ourselves so that we're forced to coil our body, our skeleton, ligaments and tendons more, and develop more of that Bagua Kuntao Silat body. So from here, again, dropping our weight, and since we're turning, aligning ourselves for the proper position, and you can see my hips, shoulders are square, my spine is straight, my hips are tucked under just a bit, and you're going to see me execute the vertical elbow low, simulating a strike coming in, or me elbowing my opponent as he clashes or punches with me, and I beset or throw. And then from here, again, we're going to move to the sapu. Now, vary the timing of this, vary your weight, moving your center, and you'll see how you maintain your balance, especially with the idea that a large man is raining blows down upon you and trying to crash limbs and body with you. That's what this is here to teach you, coordination while you're under assault. So from here again, and that was just working the right side. Left side, same thing. And before I forget again, please like and subscribe to my videos so I can bring you more of them and show you more of my Bagua Kuntao Silat system. So left side, we're going to do the same thing. And you can see we're using this for guidelines, these lines. So you want to be able to coil and uncoil anytime and anywhere you wish, prescribed in structured manner, any way you want. Soon, after a lot of practice, it becomes spontaneous, especially under resistance from another person too. And you do that by learning how to move You want to give yourself real practice after you get down to basics. Slow it down. That's when we're say we're moving at our intermediate side. You lower your weight even more, relax even more, because you want to feel your skeleton. That's why we're slowing it down. So we stay in complete control of our body, movements, joints, and weight and center at all times. This drill is going to help you with that while working on those other elements that I told you. So from here, starting on the right side again, is as if you were a runner taking off. Boom, except you're stretched up just a little bit. That way you can uncoil explosively anytime you wish. And when you're doing that, if they're moving in, guard or elbow while they're moving in for you. This is going to help you do that. So, thank you for watching Palm and Footwork Drill number 3. Please like and subscribe.